a royal experience, the Palace on Wheels. And there have been so many takers for this train that the government has started another one on similar lines called the Royal Rajasthan on Wheels. And if you want a truly royal experience of travelling in the western deserts of Rajasthan, I suggest at least once in your life you take this journey in royal style.
The Mehrangarh Fort was built in 1458 on a rocky cliff known as Bahuchiriya or the Mountain of Birds by the founder of Jodhpur, Rao Jodhaji. The name Mehrangarh means sun fort as Mihir is sun in Sanskrit. There are 7 gates that guard the fort, and it is believed that even a charge of elephants cannot break down these gates. So indefensible is the fort.
Like most forts of Rajput architecture, the Mehrangarh Fort too was built primarily for military defense. But inside the fort are some of the most beautiful palaces, like this Mehfil Khana, which was used for song and dance, and the Raja would sit here and have dancing girls perform before him. And just see how ornately decorated is the ceiling and the walls.
"17 generations of Rajput rulers have ruled here, adding temples, palaces and courtyards. Yet nowhere does a building seem out of place, for the blending has been skillfully done. The fort is made of burnished red sandstone, and despite the roughness of the stone, it has such delicate carving that it appears like poetry in stone."
The uniqueness of Mehrangarh is the way it is presented to the people. It's one of the best preserved forts of India.
Imposing and invincible as this fort is, it also has a strange and haunting beauty that beckons the visitor. Its battlements tower at 120 feet. Its walls are 6 meters thick at places. These colossal proportions led Rudyard Kipling to call it not the work of men, but of giants.
The guns have fallen silent at the Mehrangarh Fort, but even today it is the nerve center for the culture and traditions of Jodhpur city. Whether it is the Dussehra celebrations or the Gangaur procession, everything starts from the fort.